Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. We're inside the shop today. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ford F-550 we have for sale. I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining. You can kind of hear it probably on the roof, but that's why we're inside. I just want to get this truck online, but it's a 2012 Ford F-550 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, four-wheel drive. It's got 158,000 miles. It's got 11-foot bed, stellar 3,200 pound crane. It's got a Mighty M air compressor, generator, welder setup on the other side. It's got a lube skid with oil, grease gun, hydraulic oil, and waste oil. And then of course it's got, a hose and reel for air compressor. Got a brand new crane controller for the crane. When it come in, the crane controller was broke and it worked, but I didn't like it, so we bought a brand new one. It's got a nice set of tires on it. It's a Southern truck, so it doesn't have any rust. It's been in Atlanta its whole life. Super clean truck, very, very nice. It's got power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise control. The seats are in perfect shape. The new crane controller, headliner's perfect. It is a one-owner truck. Spot for your welding tanks and stuff. Here's all your lube stuff, hydraulic oil, motor oil, grease. I believe that's your waste. And then here's your regular air hose. I mean, it's just a nice truck. Bed's in really nice shape. Here's your wire for the crane controller in case your battery was to go dead. Got a nice rear work bumper. There's your lube tanks, work lights. Got a nice toolbox set up in here. Battery in my phone's going dead. Have to get this thing done here. I'm gonna start the truck up, show you under the hood, run the crane, start the compressor and all that stuff, because I gotta hurry up. Alright, I'm going to start this compressor. So, I'm going to sit the phone down. 1 second. Boom up, left to right. Winch down, tension out, tension pin out. Winch up. Boom down. Alright, here's to turn all the oil stuff on. Here it start pumping. Got these guns here. Turn your stuff, lube system off there. And then here's your regular air line. Turn air on to it. Very simple. Fuel off right there. And one thing, the choke is back there. It says it's choked going that way, but it's actually choked going that way. I'm not sure why. Figured that out, but the choke is the opposite position of what it shows. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to get it shipped to you, we can ship it straight to your door. We ship them in and out all the time. So behind the seats, the books for the crane and all that. You got your books in there. Like I said, if you want it shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. Everything on this truck works: the air conditioner, heater, radio, all that stuff. Compressor, crane, it's ready to go. It doesn't need anything spin on it. Air, heat, all that, you're set. This truck new would probably run you $120,000–130,000. You're basically going to buy it for half price, and it's going to do the same job as a new one. And it's, heck, it's about as nice as a new one. All right, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetaltrucks.com. You can go in there and look at about 35 pictures of it. It says a super clean Southern truck, no rust. Just a nice truck. It runs out great. I love these 6.7s. They run really nice and they don't give too many issues. Drop the phone. Alright, that's gonna be it on this truck. Don't wait around. This thing will probably sell. Thanks for watching.